Okay, this is the Soligor Wide-Auto 28mm f2.8. So this is the glass itself, the aesthetics on the outside. Unfortunately, I'm not sure what kind of mount is this. It has a this kind of weird thing. I noticed here there's a bit of crack. Really sorry about this. Yeah, this is the back end. There's a front end. I'll show you the glass. Okay. Show you the back glass. Okay. Let me see if I can trigger the aperture. Yeah, so the blades, they work from behind. Okay. So we can do a shine test to see if there's any organic growth. Okay, shine in front. Okay. Let me show you an example of a new lens, Yongno 1.8. This is new, so I assume this is fine. So this is a comparison for you. Okay. Yeah, alright. That's it. Thanks everyone.